left side of the aircraft, or the same. So basically, whatever side you're sitting on, you have a great view. Please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened and all your stuff where it is until we get to the gate and the seatbelt sign goes out. When that happens, be careful in opening up the bins up top. Some of the things you put up there could have got moved around during the flight. They could fall out on you, so be careful. If you're making a connection to another one of our cities, go ahead and get off the plane, go look at the nearest TV monitor in the terminal for flight gate information. Although you're probably not doing that here, you probably would have done that both ways. If this is your final destination, well, stars too. I'm having buffalo wings at the hotel, so if you promise to at least split the tab with me. Anyways, I don't know if I already said this, but make sure you have all your belongings with you when you get off the plane, because this plane is going back down south and you don't want your belongings to go with it. Enjoy Rhode Island. Come back and see us next time you fly. The guys up front got you here. By the time we get there, it'll be about 5 minutes early.